I'm Kitty Kalra, a Pilates and a celebrity fitness expert. Workout. हम वर्कआउट क्यों करते हैं? ताकि हम फिट होएं, हमारे कोई गोल्स होते हैं, आपका वेट लॉस गोल्स हैं, आपकी टोनिंग अप गोल्स हैं, बट आप इतना वर्कआउट कर रहे हैं और सब कर रहे हैं, फिर भी आपका गोल्स नहीं अचीव हो रहे हैं. I am going to share with you today 7 workout tips or mistakes that you're doing that are hindering your growth to achieve your goals and which probably are doing more harm than good to your workouts. Number 1, fad workouts. आजकल इतने नए workouts आ रहे हैं. There are so many apps around. New workouts, new fitness routines every day because fitness industry is an ever-changing industry now. But are all those workouts made for you? There are so many issues that one could have with doing workouts that are probably not made for your joints, your body. So do not do things just because the whole world is doing it. जो आपकी बॉडी के लिए easy है, आसान है और result oriented है, वो workouts करिए. What you enjoy doing, what you want to go back to, and what your body loves because it's going to show the results through those workouts.
Number 2 is not focusing enough on strength training. A lot of people think that cardio is the best way to burn calories. The cardio might help you burn calories, but what gets you into shape is actually strength training. So start finding options and ways to bring in that for your workout in different ways and build muscle. Because once you start building muscle is when your body will start getting leaner and give you definition. Plus, muscle makes us all go younger and actually is an age reversing organ. So find a way to do resistance training which can be in any form. You could pick up weights, you could do some TheraBand or resistant band workouts. Even swimming works as resistance training or like a TRX suspension training. So bring in strength training if you want to get leaner and build muscle. Plus, it also continues to burn your metabolism after you finished a workout.
Number 3, alignments, proper breathing and posture is very important while working out. So when you are working out, make sure you're concentrating on both. Otherwise, it could lead to muscle strains and injuries. So know your proper alignments, get in touch with the trainer who will teach you the right form while working out and doing every exercise. Listen to your body. Pain could be an indicator that you're doing something wrong. For example, if you're doing a lunge, you need to keep your knee behind your toe. Keep your back straight here and keep all the weight on your heels or your glutes when you are lunging there. So you're not taking the strain on your knees. Similarly, while doing squats, planks, make sure that your alignment and posture is absolutely right and keep breathing out when you are working out. Don't hold the breath for too long.
Number 4 is not eating before or after a workout. When you sleep for 8 or 9 hours and then wake up and go for your workout, your body is like that car which is zero on the fuel. अब आप सोचिए अगर आप गाड़ी चलाएंगे बिना पेट्रोल के तो वो खराब ही होएगी ना. So it's the same with your body. You need some fuel in it to start burning some energy and working out. So always try and eat something little. It could be fruits, it could be black coffee, it could be just an oatmeal or just a peanut butter toast. But कुछ खा के workout करिए so that your body has fuel to burn. And more important than that is what you eat after your workout. The one tip that I want to give you here is that eat within 40 to 45 minutes of your workout to keep that muscle intact. Otherwise, the muscle will start dying. So they say feed the muscle and hydrate the muscle. So eat a good balanced meal after your workout. It should be a combination ideally of good carbs, proteins and healthy fats. So the best is if you're going to have lunch or dinner after your workout, then you can do your chicken curry or a veggie curry with rice. You could do your omelets or a toast or sweet potato chaat if you're eating an evening snack. You could do some hummus with some vegetables or a fruit smoothie, banana shake or your protein shake. But eat something within 40 minutes of a workout if you want your body and your muscle to keep going stronger.
Number 5, स्वेटिंग से कैलोरीज बर्न होती हैं. बहुत लोग ऐसा सोचते हैं, पर ये सोच के they wear up a lot of clothes, work out without the AC, ये सोच के कि जितना पसीना आएगा उतनी जल्दी पतले होंगे. जी नहीं, this is just a myth. Sweating has nothing to do with burning calories. All that sweating does is make your water evaporate from the body. तो क्या होता है, you become a lot dehydrated. And that's why you should have a lot of water while working out, even if you're not thirsty. और जब आपके मसल्स सारे डिहाइड्रेट हो जाते हैं, you get more prone to injuries. आपके मसल्स are like a little bark of a tree, या एक लकड़ का पतला सा पीस होता है. अगर वो गीला होगा तो वो टूटेगा नहीं, अगर वो सूखा होगा तो वो जल्दी टूटेगा. That's how your muscles and bones are. If you keep them hydrated, तो injury के chances कम होते हैं. So please work out in an air-conditioned room and don't keep layering up jackets if you don't need to and if you're not feeling cold. Number 6, are you overdoing your workouts? You're probably running mindlessly on the treadmill and just doing too much cardio, or you are picking such heavy weights which are not going to help you at all and give you injuries. Or are you just putting in crazy amount of hours to work out just because others are doing it? Find your workout balance. कार्डियो और स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग दोनों को कंबाइन करके वर्कआउट करिए. और अगर आप 20-25 मिनट भी वर्कआउट इफेक्टिव वाला करेंगे और सही करेंगे, you will get the desired results that you're looking at. Last but not the least, are your goals unrealistic? Keep smaller and achievable goals. Don't be so harsh on yourself to achieve more than you can do, because once you get disheartened when you're not seeing results, you will lose the motivation to work out or to follow a clean diet if you're looking at weight loss. So your goals have to be realistic, whether it's your food, it's weight loss or inch loss. Keep the goals in mind that you can achieve by loving yourself and going slow and easy. You will achieve it if your mind is ready.